Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our Wedge Guard Palmheel Strike combination defense. We'll be having a look at this against an opponent coming in from the front, from the side, and from the back. Now, the basic defense, I'm shifting one leg back, spreading my feet out and bending my knees to get into a good standing base. Bringing my front elbow up, my back arm across to form my wedge guard, and then I'm doing 4 palm heel strikes. I'm twisting my hips and shoulders on each strike. Then I'm going to shuffle step away to disengage at the end. Shifting my feet at the beginning is a very important part of this. If I just throw my arms up and start throwing palm heels out there, my palm heels aren't going to protect me real well. I'm just going to push myself off balance. Here, this gets me into a much stronger position. I get my arms up into position, and I can be effective with my palm heels and then move away. Now, against an opponent coming in from the front, somebody I can see very clearly, I'm just shifting a foot back, getting my wedge guard up, using my palm heels to drive them back away from me, then I'm disengaging. An opponent coming in from the side is more difficult for me to see. If I'm looking this way and my opponent is coming in from this direction, I'm not looking directly at them. I don't necessarily need to. If they're moving, I can pick them up with my peripheral vision. I can see movement over here, even though I can't see a lot of detail. So when I pick up that movement, I'm shifting this foot back, getting my wedge guard up. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm moving away. Again, I want to be sure to get my feet shifted. Here, I'm spreading out, dropping down, bending my knees, doing my palm heels, and then moving away. Now, the same sort of thing applies to an opponent who's coming up from behind. That's an opponent I can't see at all. So if I've got an opponent coming up from behind, perhaps I hear them. I look over my shoulder, shift the opposite foot back to get into my wedge guard. Now I can see them. I'm in a strong defensible position. I do my palm heels, and then I move away like that. This can be a little trickier. If I'm just twisting around this way, I'm already going off balance with that. I've got to move my feet. So if I'm looking over my left shoulder, ideally, my right foot shifts back that way to help me form that standing base and wedge guard. Then I can do my palm heels and move away. Now let's look at actually working with a partner on this. Ms. McCollum, could I have your help, please? All right, my partner's going to get a good grip on the shield. And when I say go, she's just going to take one step in toward me, closing the distance. Go. I'm in my wedge guard, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I move away. I try to get them to back off so I can disengage. And again, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I move away. You're going to need to be pretty close to your target for this. If I'm too far away, watch what happens. Go. From back here, I can actually reach, sort of. I'm playing patty cake with the shield. I'm putting myself off balance. My strikes don't have any power. At that point, I should simply move away, not try to strike at all. Let's take a step back. We're thinking of a situation where somebody has moved in very close, very fast. Go! And then we move away. Again, we're driving them off and moving away. From the side, as I practice this, I want to try to train my peripheral vision. So I'm going to try to look this way. I'm not going to look at my partner till they move. Go. I'm going to try to pick up their movement. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and move away. And we'll try it from behind. Go. One more time. And this is especially tricky. Go. And then I disengage at the end. Thank you. That is our wedge guard, palm heel combination defense. Thank you very much for joining me.